What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, it's going to be another two-part video because of the time of day. Plus, it's going to be super exciting dealing with those taillights back there behind me. Waste no time. Let's go. So before we get started, first things first, this video is sponsored by Auto Addict USA, and I really appreciate all love and support from them. I wanted to show you guys this product that I currently have that is currently in the making. This is a prototype that I'm holding in my hand, so it needs a little bit of fine tuning, but I wanted to make sure that it was put on the car. At the same time, they are taking pre-orders on this, so when it's finished and completed, everybody's orders will be shipped out. So the first 20 pre-orders are gonna get a special treatment in that box. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna enjoy it. Make sure you guys click the link in the description to go to Auto Addict USA's website, and you guys can go ahead and purchase these. Use coupon code PRIME on anything you want on the website, and you'll get a discount. Now, what am I holding in my hands? Let me show you. These that I'm holding in my hand, ladies and gentlemen, are the 6th gen conversion of the Corvette C8 tail lights. I'm super excited to put these on the car because I opted in for the clear version. There is another version that has red lamps. I wanted the clear version because that's what I currently have on the ZL1 right now, but these right here should look absolutely amazing. Their design and everything is exactly like the Corvette C8, and if you haven't checked on the Corvette C8 right now, that's the hottest thing out there that everybody's talking about, especially since they released the information on the Z06. What other way to get something from the Corvette C8 than to get the tail lights? Now, keep in mind, the reason why I'm opting in for these lights is because the original 6th gen lights that are supposed to be back there on the tail lights look exactly very close to me to the C7 Corvette tail light design. So I changed those. Big shout out to RGV Shelby. If you like that design better, then I'll leave a link in the description where you can watch the other YouTube video on those. I absolutely love those, but I really always wanted these C8 Corvette taillight design. Now, again, the original 6th gen lights were like the C7, so I figured, you know what? Let's just keep it rolling. Let's get an up-to-date, like the original taillights, but more up-to-date, and put the C8 taillights on the car. So I'm gonna leave a card up top so that way you guys can see the video on this install and how I install it. It's gonna be the same exact process pretty much. The only thing that's gonna be different is gonna be this harness right here. This harness pretty much plugs in where your brake light is. You take that little cover off where you have access to the third brake light, and that harness that turns on and off the brake light, you just unplug it and you put this one in its place, and then on the bottom end you plug in your other bottom of the harness. So when you unplug it, you put one end on the bottom and this piece on the top. That's it. And then you're gonna have two long wires that are gonna run down the side of the car. And what I'm gonna do is I'll show you guys a snippet where I'm gonna tuck it so that way you guys can't see it anywhere, as if it was never installed differently like that. So either way, it is getting dark outside. I'm just gonna get to work on this thing, and then on the next part of this video, you guys are gonna see it in the daytime, so that way I can show you guys what they look like, and I'll get a shot at nighttime with the lights on. Let's go. All right, you guys, so I got one light semi hooked up right now, but I wanted to show you guys the difference. So that's the original light that I had on here, which again, I really love this design. It reminds me of the 2019 and up Camaros, which I absolutely love this. I love the way they scan too once you hit the signal. Matter of fact, let me show you guys what I mean. I'm gonna hit the hazard so that way you can see what this one does, and then I'll show you the other light. And there you go. That design, I really do like it a lot. I really do. But now when you move to this side, look at this design. It's got a yellow amber that scans to the right, and then of course the C8 design tail light. I'm going to turn off the hazard so you can see them from left to right and compare the two together. And there you go. That's them two side by side, and you can see you can go with this option or you could go with this option. Me, I like this option a lot because, again, this option right here on this side reminds me of the C7 design that the 6th gen Camaros had originally. They looked really similar to the C7 Corvette. And then the C8 Corvette came out, so it only makes sense to go ahead and put these on there also. Wow. Now, the difference between these, if you look at the difference between these ones poke out right here on the side. Right here. They stick out. See that? Which I don't mind. It looks really good with my wing and everything. These are more flush on the side, but they are engraved inside of here. They're like slots inside of here, which, man, that's gonna look crazy at nighttime. I don't know if it's gonna show it right now if I turn off the lights in the garage, but let's give it a try. Yep, you can see it right there. Yeah, those are sick, man. Those are gonna look really nice. Driving around and all that stuff, those are gonna look really cool. I'm super excited for this. Guys, let me give you a little tip. You see that little rubber grommet right there where my finger's pointing, where that red little wire, is? That rubber grommet, you can pull it back just a little bit and then tuck your wire through there, so that way it can come in or come out from the other side like this. That way when you take this cover off, you're gonna pop this out, all these little clips, and then the brake light right there, you're gonna unplug it so you can run that wire here, the harness. You're gonna run it right here, and then you're gonna follow it all the way down this right here, and then it'll be inside of this. So it's not like laying around out here or up there. Just make it nice and clean. Tuck it right over there on that side, and it's already got a pre-drilled hole right there. That's why the grommet is there, so that way you can run wires through it. And don't worry, it doesn't stress it out. It's a little rubber piece, and it just makes it where you have access to it right here. Guys, let me show you a little trick too here. Big shout out to Mo from Auto Addict USA. That's them right over here, right? Big shout out to Mo. I reached out to him and I said, bro, I'm having a tough time taking off this harness, right? It has this little clip right here that everybody on YouTube was saying, you know, pull down on this clip, and they were struggling to try to take this off. This can be really annoying to take off. It plugs in this way, right? But what Mo told me to do was run a screwdriver on this side right here, where this side is. Run the screwdriver up that way and push towards the left side, and just slowly pull down on this. Don't pull hard, right? Because you don't want to pull out these wires, which they're really sturdy. But you'll see the moment you push on the clip like that to the left with the flathead screwdriver, the moment you do that, then what it's going to happen is this is just going to slide right out. So see this little area right here? You see how it's got like that little tab on the top? Your screwdriver is going to stop up there. So I put it up there, the screwdriver right over here where my thumb is. And then I just pushed on it like that. See how I'm pushing on it to the left? And I push on it to the left like this with the screwdriver, and it just came right out. Also, don't want to forget the wire harness that you disconnect. This new harness that you're gonna get, you're gonna plug one end into this that's loose right here, and then this end right here is gonna go back up there how you disconnected it. So this is gonna go up there again, and it's gonna plug right in. Again, to remove this, the screwdriver is gonna go right over here on this side where my thumb is, right there, and push it like that. And when you push it, it comes right out. There you go. You guys, once you run the wires like this to the side, then under here, there's some little holes. There's slots under here. You're not gonna see it right now, but under here, there's some little holes. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna run it through the little hole and just follow it all the way through on the top over here, and then it'll pop up on this side. That way you can tuck it under here. See that? Don't do it how some people did it, where they ran it over here on this side, like right above. Don't do it like that. Let me move the car out. All right, you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that little walk around that I did at nighttime. I really like the functions that it comes with. I'm telling you guys, when I was driving yesterday to the gym, I can't tell you how many people like slowed down behind me and kept like a distance behind me so that way they can take a look at those lights. And honestly, some people did also take some pictures from the back of the car. I saw it, I was paying attention, and I was like, damn, that's pretty intense. Like, so I'm very, very excited for these lights. I'm gonna show you guys another close-up real quick because it is really bright outside, but I wanna see if I can get another close-up of these in the daytime, just so you guys could see them and then go from there. And there you go, you guys, look at that. Up close and personal with these lights. They blend perfectly with the body of the car, the body lines, the paint, all black on black. It looks amazing. Now there is two different sets of these. This one is the smoked version, and then the other ones have red inside of the housing. And then if you work your way to this side, you can see it there as well. Let me try to step back a little bit. Maybe you guys can see the actual car if the sun wouldn't glare on it too much. Yeah, I like that a lot. That looks so good. I'm gonna have so many videos and pictures and stuff like that with these lights on the ZL1. Yeah, it's amazing. Hopefully you guys like that. It looks really, really good to me. It looks like an updated version, to be honest with you. That's crazy. Yeah, that looks really, really good, man. I'm just very grateful that I could share this content with you guys. I got a lot of really good feedback already on Facebook. I threw it up on my Instagram also. I will be posting it on my TikTok so I could get feedback on there as well. And it's just amazing. I'm super excited for you guys. I'm very grateful that I can help out with these ideas and designs and put this stuff together with companies like Auto Addict USA. So be sure to check them out. I'm gonna put the link in the description with my coupon code, and that way you guys can go over there and pre-order yours. The first 20, once again, are gonna get a special little gift from me and from Auto Addict USA as a token of appreciation and congratulations, just saying congrats. Now, keep in mind, in the beginning of this video, I did say that these were a prototype, but in all reality, they are not actually a prototype. I was just checking connections to make sure that they don't rapid fire, and they don't rapid fire. They don't, like, the sequential doesn't go quick. They actually go perfect. So everything worked out just fine. The orders are official. People are placing their orders, so make sure you guys get yours. Get it all set up. You know, if it's gonna be a Christmas gift, get it for somebody for Christmas. If it's a gift to yourself, get a gift for yourself. I'm not even joking. You are not gonna regret these. They are by far my most favorite setup that I have, and I always wanted those. The C8 is on the streets now, and now the Z06 is unveiled, so you might as well keep up to date with your taillights as well, because the 6th gen Camaro has the taillights that look like the C7. So now that the C8 is out, update your Camaro and keep up to date. So either way, man, I appreciate all the love and support. You guys know the drill. If it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Let me know what you guys think of these lights. I absolutely love them. And you guys know what's up. A Dilla. Bow. Superman. Right there behind me. Prime time. Chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.